All right, what's going on, guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you the 2 things you need to be doing right now before you get started on your affiliate marketing journey that are going to help you go crazy and make tons of money. If you're ready, let's go. Guys, so surprisingly, it's super easy to start an affiliate marketing career. You could do this on your side. If you have a 9 to 5, you could definitely do this on the side. There's no need to just go all in and quit your job and do this right away. This is going to take time to build. So everything I'm showing you on this channel, take it and know that it's just going to take time to build to get to the level of some of these high-end affiliate marketers that you see on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, where they're like, I'm making 10, I'm making 20K a month, I'm making 30K a month. I made $3 million last year. It takes time to get to that level. But simple tools like what I'm about to show you will get you there, and get you there a little quicker. So the first thing I'm going to need you to do is go to figure out your brand. So let's take my brand, for example, Million Shark. So you're going to need a domain, because what's going to look better in your bio, what's going to look better when you send that email out, what's going to look better when you mass things, is if people are actually going to millionshark.com and not like, Tweedledee at tweedledum.io.gifify.shopify.com/homepage. If you have that in your bio or you're shortening up to a bit.ly, it doesn't look as clean and crisp as if it's coming from like something like a millionshark.com. So one thing that I do is I'm a GoDaddy guy. There's tons of things like Namecheap, and other ones. You can just Google search domain name. So I actually already had purchased this. So I'll just go to manage my domain. So you can see I purchased Million Shark. Literally, I bought it for a year. Cost me like $12. Not going to break the bank. Easily could likely make the $12 up in less than a day. But I own that for another year. So there's tons of things you could do with that domain. You could use that domain with a site like I did and mask your beacons. So I upgraded to pay for this feature in beacons, where I masked it to add my custom domain to my beacons. So when you go to millionshark.com, you literally just go to my beacons page. Right now, if you do, you're going to be taken pretty much to a page that looks like this, because I have it redirected straight to a landing page. Before I go any further, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all my social media accounts and connect with me. The next thing you're going to want to do is to actually click on it. And I haven't done this yet, but you want to add an email. The reason why you want to add the email, and I'm finding this out firsthand, is because when I come to my app ConvertKit that I'm using to do lead gen and capturing emails and stuff like that, when it sends an email out, it's sending from a Gmail account right now. What that's going to do is that's likely going to their junk email, spam email, or in my case, I've been seeing it filtered into a third inbox I don't check. It's not going to the main inbox where I want it to go. So one thing I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to smash that add email button. Whoops. And I'm going to have to upgrade and add the email. Essentially, you could just do this one. All you need is the $1.99 a month, just a basic, basically just need the email address. So when they do it, it's going to go to like matt@millionshark.com. And it's going to look clean like that. This way, when people are receiving these emails, there's more of a chance they're going to actually be seeing your emails when you go to email them. So essentially, for $24, I could easily buy email. So now you're like, okay, Matt, it's like 13, then like 23. So now we're at like what, almost $40 for this. It's not terrible. I mean, $40 it's a good investment to make if you want to make sure you're doing this right. So this is something I'm going to have to do at some point. I don't have it done right now, but I'm going to have to do that. I'm actually trying to figure out a way, instead of using Microsoft 365, to do it so it's compatible with Gmail. So that's one thing I'm working on right now. The next you want to do is sign up to an email subscription service like ConvertKit.com or Systeme.io is another good one, where it allows you to email multiple people, So email more than one person at a time. Basically capture emails. So you have your subscriber list of people who like are on your, who are opting into your service, opting into your pages. And most importantly, this part right here, the landing pages and forms. So these are what's going to be something like this, where they actually click on your link on that millionshark.com. It's going to take them to a landing page like this, where you basically, it was a template. I just did some editing. This took me maybe like 10 minutes of my time and just played around with it, where I'm capturing their email address, sending them a presentation. So I'm actually capturing their email address and sending them either a PDF, an ebook, something that allows them to opt in. In this case, I'm actually having that connected through another offer to bring them to another landing page to make the sale for me. That's the great thing about affiliate marketing. There's a lot of masking you could do. So I'm basically utilizing this to drive traffic. But before they drive traffic to another page, I'm capturing their email. This way I have that for a future reference point. And now I'm opening up my inbox to actually talk to these people and communicate with them and figure out what they need in order to succeed and basically be their coach. If you're giving me your email, you're basically, it's going to open up a door of communication, because that means you're putting your trust in me to help you get to where you need to go. So basically, in recap, you need an email subscription service like ConvertKit that's going to allow you to build landing pages, forms, capture emails, and send emails. You're going to need a domain name and adding an email to it. So there's tons of different options out there. All you can do is, smash the Google. You could do what I'm doing. I know there's definitely probably cheaper options than GoDaddy out there. I've used GoDaddy before for the past few years, and that's where I went and I just grabbed everything from. But anyway, I'm going to link a bunch of stuff below, down below. This way you guys could see that. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next video.